Trump. Now because I am listening but the world is too silent. Morethetho, baholo that compels me to stand on my own 2 feet and take stand. I don't undermine you, my fellow man, but I am on a quest. As I stand facing the world of impatient smiles, I shall not trip. I shall not cheap and shame our ancestors. How do I change the world, baholo, when I'm confined by my own failures? How do I tell the world to be still and trust in the Lord? Shouldn't I lead by example? No. Haven't I disappointed enough people in my life, and now to disappoint the dead? As the thoughts raise in my head, I think to myself, I shall not trip, because the trumpets, I am a woman. I am a woman. Made of Adam's ribs, I feel like Eve. My beauty is that happiness that made man smile in the Garden of Eden and said to himself, born from my bone and flesh from my flesh. But I am wiser than this world, so I shall not touch the forbidden fruit. If you take a closer look, I am not blowing my own horn. I'm blowing in this place once that you felt to blow. And if my blood fall to this cross will call.
Atravessou, nunca pro lado de cá. Olá, o metrô já vai fechar.